Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation, and I am so excited to unbox the brand new Siser Juliet vinyl cutter, which is the perfect companion to all of their heat transfer and adhesive vinyl materials. Let's dive in. Okay, so you can see here the seal is still on this, so you know we didn't do, oops, I cut the box. It's okay, we're unboxing it anyways. So we're just gonna open that. Oh, this is cool. And so the adventure begins. Yes, it does, Juliet. Yes, it does. Ooh, I like this. This is fancy. It says, welcome. I'm gonna pull this out here. Oh, I like this. It says, welcome to the future of making. What is this? This is cool. Oh, I see what this is. Okay, so, oh, we have the power cord. That's nice. We'll put that to the side here. What else do we got? Accessories. And power supply. Oh, and what is this? This is documentation. Dude, okay, sorry. Great job on all the packaging. This is so sleek. Juliet operating manual. Oh, so this is gonna be set up your cutter at setup.siser.com. This is gonna be where you go to get your software. Okay, awesome. Wow, I haven't even gotten to the cutter yet. I'm already super impressed. So I like the packaging. They're gonna keep it nice and safe. Okay, and then like the first thing we see here, yes, the Siser High Tack cutting mat. This is their 12 by 12 inch cutting mat. Awesome, I love it. I'm so glad they included one of these in here. We're gonna put that out to the side. Ooh, and yes, I see it. I see you, Juliet. And I wanna safely bring this out. So am I gonna pull this off first? How are we gonna do this? You know what? I'm gonna bring out the whole bottom carton. There we go. So, here we go. We're just gonna put this box out of the way here. Okay, so I'm so excited. When I first heard about the Juliet, I just could not believe they were coming out with a new cutter. And I love it. So let's go ahead and bring it out here. Again, great job with the packaging, by the way. So you know this bad boy is gonna, or bad girl, I should say, is going to arrive nice and safe. There we go. Can I just tear this? I think I'm just gonna tear it. Be careful, you don't wanna cut into your cutter. There we go. Oh, and yes, factory seal. So in addition to the foam protection, we have a nice shrink wrap keeping everything together. I love it. I'm just gonna poke a hole. Honestly, I love how thorough Siser is with their packaging on this product. I mean, I've gotten tons of stuff, and not just like heat transfer equipment. I've ordered tons of things online, and they get to my house, and like the packaging is like whack, and so you know things are missing. Okay, now this is incredible. I'm already impressed by the look. I think it's gorgeous. Let's get it set up. Okay, so there are a few things that we're gonna have to do first. There's like some foam that you're gonna see. I'll show you here in the back what I mean. So you see we have some foam right here. We're gonna take that off on the rollers, and we're gonna open this up here. I'll turn that around so you can see it. Now, we open it up. Siser, again, great job packaging it, making sure that when you get your cutter, it's not gonna be broken by your delivery driver. So I can't really see everything up front, so I'm gonna go through this right now, and we're just gonna pull out all the foam and packaging and get this thing ready to cut. And there you go. So this thing is now, we've taken off all the packaging and we're ready to plug it in and get cutting. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this in. Again, I love the packaging. Everything's nice and clean, nice and safe. Okay, so here's one part of the power. I imagine here in accessories, we're gonna have, oh nice, so it comes with the USB cable, blade holder, extra blades, and the adapter. That's cool. We're gonna save that here. And here's the rest of the power cord. Nice. Dude, beautiful packaging. Again, big props. And now this connects right here. So it's plugged into this, and we're gonna plug it in. I'll show you exactly where that is. I like how everything is all together on the back. Now here in the back, we have 3 connections. We have our USB drive, so you can connect right into the machine, which is awesome. And then you have your regular USB and your power. And this also connects through Wi-Fi, so you actually don't even need these other connections. You can connect wirelessly to your Siser Juliet. Let's turn this back around, plug it in, and power it on. Okay, now one thing I did forget is, oh, this is my favorite part. I wanna savor this. I love that. I don't know why, I just do. And now we get to turn it on. Simple one-touch operation. Gonna power it on. You see it's booting up for the first time. And we have this color touch panel. Siser Juliet. Ooh, okay, I should have left that open. You see that? I love the LED lights inside the cutter. You can see what you're cutting, and believe it or not, we're ready to roll. Now, next thing we're gonna wanna do is connect it to our computer, load our vinyl, but as far as setting this thing up and plugging it in, unboxing it, it's that easy. It's that simple to get started with your new Siser Juliet. Now, a few things that we do wanna note about the Siser Juliet is this touch panel. Now, it's really cool. You have like your cut tests. There's no blade in it. You see how quick that was? And also, one thing you're probably noticing is how quiet it is. Now, the Siser Juliet, it is a stepper motor, but this is the quietest cutter with a stepper motor I've ever heard. It's beautiful. I honestly thought it was a servo when I first used it. So we have different cut settings. It's already preloaded, like the first one's gonna default to Easy Weed, but of course you could just tap here. There's all the different Siser materials already preloaded onto your Juliet, which again is just incredible. It's just so easy. You can of course adjust your settings right here on screen, which is really, really helpful. You can go back, adjust settings. You can adjust the camera settings, the Wi-Fi settings, general. Everything is right here on this touch panel. Now, I know I said that the Siser materials, they're all preloaded on here, but even if you're not using Siser materials, this is probably one of the most capable vinyl cutters I've come across. You're just gonna go over here to your general settings, and let's go back, I'm sorry, we're gonna go back, cut settings. You can manually adjust it. You can even reposition your blade. I don't have any vinyl loaded, so you can't see it loading front and back, but it's that easy to reposition your blade, load your materials, and everything like that. Now, one thing that's interesting about the Siser Juliet is, yes, it's a 12-inch cutter, but it has a very, very compact size. Like, I love this, it folds down. The features on it are amazing. I cannot wait to dive into this cutter, and I'm sure you can't wait for yours either. Check it out at heatpressnation.com. So this has been the unboxing of the Siser Juliet vinyl cutter. Now stay tuned, because we have another video that's gonna walk you through the complete setup and first cut with your brand new cutter, so stay tuned for that. Now, if you want to stay up to date with everything that we're doing here at Heat Press Nation, be sure to sign up for our newsletter at our website, heatpressnation.com. You can also check us out in our Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. And then while you're at it, go on over to YouTube and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of our new amazing content. That's gonna be it for me. I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.